This is how much it took for me to do a full electrical restoration. As you can see here, all the power supplies needed, switching power supplies, transformer. This I used for general illumination. I cranked up the 5 volts as much as I possibly can. This handles 20 amps. This is the feature lamp power supply, 18 volts. This is the solenoids power supply, 30 volts, 10 amps. And this is the main power supply. Does not need more than 7 amps on the 5 volt side. It also needs the 12 volt, so it activates the reset circuit and runs the game. And then for the soundboard is where this transformer comes in. 4 amps, 9 volts per side. This is an 18 volt center tap transformer. And it's directly hooked up, and we can take this off if we need to. All these power supplies are hooked up to the high voltage terminal strips, one for each lead. So all the black goes here, all the whites go here. And of course the transformer, red and black, because it's capable of running 230 volts, which we don't need in this setup. So as you can see here, we pulled the plasma displays and put in LEDs, which is why there is brand new controller board. So bye bye high voltage, hello LED displays.